Hey there, welcome to our video on AI virtual assistants and how they can transform your life and business. Let's jump right in and discover the amazing potential of this technology together.
We all know how busy life can get. From juggling work, family, and social commitments, it can often feel like there aren't enough hours in the day. That's where virtual assistants come in. Whether it's a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa or a text-based chatbot, these AI-powered tools can help us manage our daily tasks and responsibilities with ease.
Virtual assistants have become increasingly popular in recent years, with businesses and individuals alike turning to these AI-powered tools to save time and increase productivity. But what sets the most advanced virtual assistants apart from the rest?
Chat GPT is a state-of-the-art language processing model that uses advanced AI algorithms to understand natural language inputs and generate human-like responses. Unlike traditional chatbots, which rely on pre-programmed responses, Chat GPT can understand and respond to a wide range of inputs, making it highly versatile and effective.
Businesses and individuals can use Chat GPT-powered virtual assistants for a wide range of tasks, from scheduling appointments and managing emails to conducting research and even handling basic bookkeeping and accounting tasks. And because Chat GPT can understand and respond to natural language inputs, these virtual assistants can provide highly personalized and efficient service.
As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated virtual assistants that can provide highly personalized and conversational experiences. With the ability to understand context and respond to user preferences, these AI-powered tools have the potential to revolutionize the way we work and interact with technology.
But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some real-world users of ChatGPT-powered virtual assistants.
As a busy entrepreneur, I rely on my virtual assistant to help me manage my daily tasks and keep me organized. With ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities, my virtual assistant feels like a real person, making it much easier to delegate tasks and stay on top of my to-do list.
As a customer service manager, I've seen firsthand how ChatGPT-powered virtual assistants can improve customer satisfaction and reduce workload for our support team. Customers can get quick and accurate responses to their questions without having to wait on hold or navigate a confusing phone tree.
So why not try out our AI virtual assistant powered by ChatGPT now? Check for yourself and see the difference it can make in your daily life. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking to streamline your tasks, our AI assistants can help. Click the link below to learn more about how you can add our AI virtual assistant to your life or company and get started today.